Now let's get started by loading up a video, which is gonna be the one that you can see behind. So by having this loaded, we're gonna go to project. We're gonna make movie, and I will want to do it saved to my hard drive. And first of all, you wanna select MP4. That's what I usually do. And then you wanna go to advanced options. Anyway, you wanna go here, Magic's HEVCA MP4, and you wanna find the one that says Internet HD 1080p 5994. If you have NVIDIA, then use this one, and if you don't, then use the Intel one. So now you wanna check that's the correct one. Of course, I can see it's the one that I need, and you wanna save it to the preferred location. So I'm gonna be doing it in my folder. So I'll just add the test because I already recorded this. So now I just need to render it. And when that's done, I'll let you know, guys. Okay guys, now it's done, and let's just check how it looks. So open folder. So now let's watch it. As you can see, the quality is amazing. So this is clearly working, so that's done. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I wanted to keep it short. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. And anyway, that's about it.